Hey guys, welcome back to the new video, and in this video we're gonna do the over the wire bandit challenge. So if you haven't done it before, it's gonna be fun. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, open your web browser, like anything, Chrome, Firefox will be fine, and in URL just type the over the wire and hit enter. Click on Bandit and we are in the Bandit section now. So as you can see, we get the note for beginners. Just read it. If you are beginners, just read it. It will have helpful for your entire CTF or entire challenge. So I will directly go to the level 0. I'll directly go from level 0. And one more thing, if you are from Windows, if you are a Windows user, just use a putty configuration or any assisted tools or software for playing this challenge. If not, if you are from Linux, you can use a terminal simply. So I will, as I am from my Linux 2021.1, I will go directly from the terminal. So let's see. I will type SSH bandit 0 @ and the IT, sorry, the host. What was the name of host again? Okay, I will copy this one and paste it over here, and -p, which is port 2220, and hit enter. Now you take this side, just a minute. Okay, now you can hit enter. Oh, okay, fine. I haven't kept the host name correct. That's Bandit, and hit enter. Type yes, and the password for Bandit 0 is Bandit 0 itself. So you can give the Bandit 0 password and log into it. So see, as you can see, we are in Bandit 0. I will clear this one and we are into the challenge. So let's get started and see what a challenge for us in level 1. Okay, there's a simple thing. Just let me check what's on here. Okay, I'll type ls. Okay, there's readme file, so I will get this file, get readme. Okay, here we got this flag. Nice. And like this, we're gonna do our bandit challenge. I guess it's gonna be fun. I will copy this one and paste it over here. So now we can head over to Bandit 1. Actually, this is the Bandit 0. We got the password for Bandit 1, so let's get it for Bandit 1 and hit enter. Keep the password here. Okay, now we are in Bandit 1, so I will clear the screen first and let's see what's on here. Okay, that's interesting. Let's see what's on here. For that I will type cat greater than symbol and dash. Okay, here we got the flag. I'll copy this one for Bandit 1. This is a pass for Bandit 2. Okay, now the Bandit 3, sorry, actually 2. Give the password, paste it. Let's see what's on here. Okay, let's type ls. Okay, spaces in the file name. Let's cat this. Just type cat and spaces in the file name. You can autocomplete it by hitting tab, and we got the flag here for Bandit 2. Okay, okay, fine. Now we can head over to Bandit 3. I will change to Bandit 3 and hit enter. Give the password for it. I'll just clear the screen. Okay, clear the screen. Okay, so there's something folder or directory called in here. Let's go inside. What's on here? I have cd in here and hit enter. Okay, there's nothing in here. That's hyphen ls hyphen ar is for getting all the hidden files in the directory. So there's a directory called hidden. So in there we got our flag. Sorry, paste it here. That's the flag for Bandit 4. To entry to go in Bandit 4. Sorry. Okay, clear the screen. ls in here. Okay, there's a lot of file. Okay, 44 data use 44. Sorry, hyphen ar. Okay, let's check data 4. That's the 4 to 5. The password is showing the human executor in here directory. If your terminal messed up, try reset command. Okay, let's check one by one. Actually, it's easy, kind of easy for beginners. I don't want you make involved in any sort of commands now. if needed we will do it. Go to file 2, not here, file 3, okay, file 4, nothing, oh, we got something in file 7, I mean 07. Let's see it again. Okay, this is the flag for Bandit 5. To go to Bandit 5, let's copy this one and paste it over here. And now I will do serially, like you can just follow my commands and everything if you got stuck up. But I highly recommend don't watch that, don't copy the everything I did. Try it by yourself also. Okay, we got a flag for Bandit 7 also. So that's guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep watching till the next video. Bye.